Are you looking to supercharge your marketing automation? Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly connect ManyChat with ActiveCampaign using Zapier. This integration will save you time, automate your workflow, and ensure your new subscribers are always added to your email campaigns without lifting a finger. Let's dive in. First, head over to Zapier and log in. You can use your Google account for a quick and secure sign-in. Once you're in, you'll see the Create button at the top. Click that to start a new Zap, which is Zapier's term for an automated workflow. Now, every Zap begins with a trigger. Click on Trigger and search for ManyChat. Select it, then choose the event that will kick off your automation. In this case, new subscriber. This ensures every time someone subscribes to your ManyChat, it sets the Zap in motion. Next, connect your ManyChat account to Zapier and run a quick test to make sure everything is working smoothly. With the trigger set, it's time to define the action. Search for ActiveCampaign and select it. Here, you'll choose the Create or Update Contact event. Connect your ActiveCampaign account to Zapier, then test the action to confirm the data flows correctly from ManyChat to ActiveCampaign. Finally, hit the Publish button, and just like that, your automation is live. Every new subscriber in ManyChat will now automatically be added to your ActiveCampaign list, saving you hours of manual work and keeping your marketing streamlined. Integrating ManyChat with ActiveCampaign through Zapier is a game changer for any marketer looking to grow their business efficiently. Make sure to test your Zap and watch your automation work its magic. Thanks for watching, and keep automating your way to smarter marketing.